Marhaban everyone. Welcome back to our linguistic journey. Today you will learn how to talk about things that happened in the past tense using a correct Arabic language. So we'll be focusing on the suffixes for the past tense. Let's explore together. In Arabic, past tense is a crucial aspect of communication, allowing us to express the actions that happened in the past. The uniqueness of Arabic lies in its rich system of suffixes that convey person, number, and gender. Let's break it down. Firstly, what is a suffix? A suffix is a group of letters or a single letter added to the end of the word to modify it. In Arabic, the past tense suffix is attached to the verb root, indicating who performed the action. Let's dive in a little bit deeper. In any language, we can divide the pronouns into three main categories: pronouns of the first person, pronouns of the second person, and pronouns of the third person. But first, what do you mean by first, second, and third person? Both of us are having a conversation right now. I'm talking to you and you are listening to me. In that case, I'm the first person and you are the second person. But what about the third person? Does it exist in our conversation? The answer is yes. Anyone else other than you and I is a third person. This person could be present or absent. He could be known or unknown, dead or alive. In other words, the third person is the one that we are talking about. Literally, anyone who is not talking to you or receiving direct speech from you is a third person. Pronouns of first person in English are I and we. In Arabic, we are having the same. أنا ونحن. Only two pronouns. In English, we are having only one pronoun for the second person, which is you. But in Arabic, we have أنت for singular male, أنتِ for singular female, أنتما for dual, which means two people, two males or two females, or one male and one female. We have أنتم for plural of males. We have أنتن for plural of females. The meaning of all of these pronouns is you. Notice here all the pronouns for the second person are somehow driven from the word أنت. For the third person we have هو for singular male, هي for singular female, هما for dual, two boys or two girls or one boy and one girl, هم for plural males, هن for plural of females. Notice here all the pronouns of the third person are starting with the letter ha. For instance, a verb like كتب. Let's see the suffixes that should be attached to it according to the different pronouns. With أنا, it will be كتبت. أنا كتبت. We will add تاء وضمة. With نحن, it will be كتبنا. نحن كتبنا. We will add نون وألف. For the second person, with أنت, it will be كتبت. We will add تاء وفتحة. With أنتِ, it will be كتبتِ. We will add تاء وكسرة. With أنتما, it will be كتبتما. We will add تاء وميم وألف. With أنتم, it will be كتبتم. We will add تاء وميم. With أنتن, it will be كتبتن. We will add تاء ونون. أنتن كتبتن. For the third person, with هو, it will be كتب. No suffixes. With هي, it will be كتبت. تاء وسكون. With هما, it will be كتبا. ألف. With هم, it will be كتبوا. Be careful. Here I said كتبوا. I did not say كتبوا, because actually this alif is silent. Any word that ends with waw wa alif, this alif should be silent. So the correct pronunciation is كتبوا. With هن, it will be كتبن. The suffix will be noon. Important note for the third person: the pronouns can be replaced with any noun like Ahmad, Muna, the two boys, etc. And the same suffixes will apply. So I can say هو شرب الحليب or أحمد شرب الحليب. I can say فاطمة شربت الحليب or هي شربت الحليب. It's correct also if I say أحمد وعمر شربا الحليب. If I decide to cut أحمد وعمر and put هما instead, it will be also correct. And so on. Always remember, these suffixes are designed to reflect the gender and the number of the subject. Now it's time for a quick practice. I'll give you a verb and you'll try to form the past tense with the correct suffixes. Ready? Let's go. The verb is درس, which means to study or he studied. Now, how would you say you studied? You for masculine, singular. Yes, that's correct. أنت درست. How would you say she studied? نعم، هذا صحيح. هي درست. How would you say they studied? They, masculine, plural. نعم، هذا صحيح. هم درسوا. How would you say they studied? Dual this time. نعم، هذا صحيح. هما درسا. How would you say you studied? You, feminine, singular. نعم، هذا صحيح. أنتِ درستي. Of course, no linguistic journey is complete without few exceptions. Some Arabic verbs have irregular past tense forms, so it's essential to be aware of these unique cases, like the verb نام, قرأ, بدأ, and so on. We will talk about irregular verbs in Arabic in detail in a whole different video, inshallah. Congratulations! You have successfully scratched the surface of the Arabic past tense suffixes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring and using these structures in your daily conversations. Shukran for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time. مع السلامة.